Xiaomi has finally started showing off its next foldable, which we've come to learn will be called the Xiaomi 18 Fold, not the Mix Fold 5 or the Mix Ultra. After months of leaks and speculation, the Xiaomi 18 Fold has now made its way into the hands of people who attended the company's latest event, giving us our first proper look at the actual device. There's a catch though. Xiaomi has covered the back of the phone with a case, deliberately hiding the camera design from view. This indicates that Xiaomi isn't ready to show us everything just yet ahead of its September launch, but there's still quite a lot we can learn from seeing the phone in someone's hands. This comes right after Xiaomi officially unveiled the Xring 03, its new flagship in-house smartphone processor, and confirmed that the Xiaomi 18 Fold will be one of the first devices to use it. The company didn't spend much time talking about the foldable during the event, but the phone did quietly appear in the HyperOS 4 presentation, where Xiaomi showed the same wide foldable design. The first thing that stands out is the form factor. The Xiaomi 18 Fold is following the newer, wide, and compact approach that we've already seen from Samsung with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and that is becoming a much bigger trend across the entire foldable market. Instead of the extremely tall and narrow design we've become accustomed to with traditional book-style foldables, the 18 Fold is noticeably wider and more compact when folded. And in person, the phone also appears to be remarkably slim. Xiaomi hasn't revealed the official thickness yet, but the device certainly doesn't look like a bulky foldable, which is going to be important considering just how much competition there is now in this category. The color is another detail we can confirm at this point. The phone will come in deep burgundy red finish as one of the many color options that will be available for the phone. We've already seen this color in the hands of Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun, confirming that this isn't simply a random prototype color. What's frustrating, though, is the case covering the entire rear section in the presentation. That's clearly intentional because the camera design is one of the biggest things we still don't know about this phone. Previous leaks have suggested that the Xiaomi 18 Fold would feature a 200-megapixel main camera, but we haven't had a proper look at the complete rear camera system yet. And judging by how carefully Xiaomi has covered that area in these hands-on units, the company clearly wants to save that reveal for later. Still, there's plenty we already know about what this phone is supposed to be. The Xiaomi 18 Fold is expected to feature a large 7.6-inch folding display, a battery of around 6,000 milliamps with wireless charging, and that 200-megapixel main camera we just talked about. But arguably the most important piece of hardware is the Xring 03 chip powering the phone. It's the company's next-generation flagship in-house processor, and the company says it has already achieved an Antutu score of 5.22 million, making it the first mobile chipset to cross the 5 million mark in the benchmark. The chip is also built on TSMC's 3nm process and brings support for LPDDR6 memory. The only major piece Xiaomi is still keeping from us is sitting underneath that case, and it's the rear camera design. But not to worry, because I'm quite sure that too will be revealed in the coming days, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel for updates. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.